In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall MetaTrader 5 from your Windows computer. Whether you're looking to free up some space, switch to a different trading platform, or simply clean up your applications, following these instructions will make the process straightforward. To start, we're going to find the Windows Start button, which is located on the lower left part of your taskbar. This is the launching point for all the actions we need to perform. Once you've located the Start button, go ahead and click it. This will bring up the Start menu, where you can type in commands or search for applications. In the search bar that appears within the Start menu, type Add or Remove Programs. You don't need to worry about spacing or capitalization here, as Windows generally handles these entries intuitively. As you start typing, you'll notice that Windows searches for matches. You'll see an option come up labeled Add or Remove Programs. When you see it, go ahead and click it. This click will open another window specifically designed to help you manage the applications installed on your computer. Inside this new window, you'll find a list of all the programs currently installed on your system, organized alphabetically. At the top of this window is a search bar designed to help you quickly locate specific programs. In this search bar, type in MetaTrader 5. This action filters the list to show only the application you are interested in. Once you've found MetaTrader 5 in your search results, click on its name. When you do this, a small drop-down menu will appear right below it, giving you several options related to the application. Here, you'll need to look for the Uninstall option. It's usually the first option that you can select, making it easily accessible. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to make sure that any work in MetaTrader 5 is saved and that the application is closed. This is just a preventative measure to ensure no data loss or interruption during the uninstallation process. Once you've checked this and are ready to proceed, click Uninstall. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm that you want to uninstall MetaTrader 5. Go ahead and confirm this by clicking on the appropriate button. The uninstallation process will then begin. Depending on your system, this may take a few moments. Simply be patient and let the operating system do the work for you. And there you have it. You've successfully uninstalled MetaTrader 5 from your system. With those steps completed, you've freed up some space and kept your system tidy. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to reach out if you have more questions or need further assistance.